to Mad for Mondays, and I'm sitting here with Cecil Benjamin. But Cecil, let us know, what do you do on a Monday to make a difference to your week?
Well, Monday, at the moment I'm living in, working in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh, the capital, but I actually come from Sydney in Australia. And my Mondays is sort of getting ready for the week, because Mondays in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh, the traffic is so crazy I sort of brace myself to go out into the traffic. But other than that, I start the day Monday, and normally most other days, with some quiet time, just to sort of get ready for the day, and then I'm sort of ready. So the day, whether it's a Monday or whatever day, is really important for me to start off quietly, because the days are pretty hectic, and I don't know whether I'm going to be going out or staying in the office, meeting clients, or what we're going to be doing. So it sounds a bit crazy, but it's a bit different. The project that I'm working on in Cambodia is a bit like that. I'm working on two different things, so to do with business as well as to do with financial management. So it's really interesting.
Fantastic. So on a Monday, you like to take that time, a bit of quiet time at the start of the day, and then you said earlier you don't plan for the week, you plan every day on that day, because it changes so much.
Yes.
And this book, Business with a Spicy Edge, we all love a spicy edge, right? So what's a tip or something you can give to us from this book?
A tip for this book's about how to start a business. The tip that I give to everybody, there's two things really. One is vision. You've got to have a vision. And the thing that I work with all my clients is you must have a vision, and if you don't have one, I'll help you find one. And the second one is how to save money. You can't do anything without money. People tell me I don't have any money. So I teach people how to save, and there's actually a how to save plan and program in the book. So to start a business, you need some money. That's how to do it. Vision and start saving.
Fantastic. So if you want to put a bit of spicy edge into your business, contact Cecil Benjamin. And where can we buy the book?
You can buy the book in Kindle, or you can buy it online from my website, chilimentoring.com.
Fantastic. Speak soon. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Catherine.